33 hours Manipur Bandh calls by the JAC against the missing of Maibam Avinash and Anthony from 4 a.m. today, scheduled to continue till 1 p.m. of tomorrow in Avog. Several protesters came out on streets blocking the roads for commuters and passerby, with the exception given to media persons, staffs of essential services and persons connected with religious ceremonies. No untoward incident has been reported so far during the bandh. Traffic has been seen less on the roads, with the image of support being extended by people all over the valley demanding the state authority to trace the whereabouts of Avinash and Anthony at the earliest. It may be mentioned that state government has already arrested two accused person involved in the missing incident of the two teens. However, no details with the progress of the search of the two teens is available as on date.